The grass is green, the sun is shining. I'm going on a photo shoot. Green grassy photo shoot, here we come! What did I do with my keys? This is the picture-perfect tree. It would take like 4 of me to reach around this oak tree. So green, it's gonna like burn my eyes out. The weather does not get better than this. I'm like in heaven right now. All the photos you've seen me edit so far were done on my phone on an app called Snapseed. This app is put out by Google. It's completely free. You can get it on Android and iPhone. And Snapseed's great because it just has a bunch of preset effects that you can quickly apply to your photo. But the best part about it is you may get one of these effects that looks great on like the grass, but not on the guitar. And we click this back arrow, hit View Edits, and now everything you've done to this photo is shown over here. You can get rid of these, you can click back and forth between them, and you can go to this brush tool, and now we can just erase that effect off of the guitar. So it really opens up a lot of creative possibilities. So zoom in, take it off the neck of the guitar there, finalize that, and now that effect is only on the grass and not on the guitar. There's a couple of really inexpensive things I like to keep in my camera bag, one of those being a star filter. This screws on the end of your lens and just gives a nice flare effect to any light in the photo. Another thing I like to keep in my camera bag is a couple of macro filters. And these are just like a magnifying glass that screw on the end of your lens and just allow you to focus much closer than you otherwise would have been. So you can just really get in there and get those nice shots of that grass. Here's a couple pictures that I took of dew on the grass. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this photo shoot. Make sure you share it with your friends. If you're new around here, my name's Luke. I do a lot of photography, video, take a lot of pictures of my guitar. I play my guitar too. I have albums on Amazon, iTunes, Spotify. Links in the description below if you want to go check those out. I do a ton of other stuff too, so make sure you go check out my channel and consider subscribing. Enjoy life. If it's not enjoyable, make it enjoyable. And I will see you guys in the next video.